All right, super simple. I'm going to show you how you can fix your Google panel if your photos aren't popping up. If someone else's photos are popping up in your Google panel, here is how you can submit photos. That way your photos can pop up, right? So what I'm gonna do is type in my name, Blonde. As you can see, pops up right here. You can see that there is a photo in my Google panel, maybe two of them, that aren't me, right? And since I've owned this Google panel, right? If you guys want to own your Google panel, simply I'll attach this link here. You guys can learn how to claim your own Google panel, but you also want to verify that you are the owner, right? And I am the owner. As you can see, I own this panel, right? So back over here to my panel. I want to input more photos so that way when people search up my name, it looks like this, right? So since I have multiple panels, this is a current panel that I'm working on, or that we're working on, right? So let me show you how to do this, and it's very simple. What you're gonna do is click send feedback, right? You're gonna click right here where it says general feedback, click it, inaccurate content, click incorrect, and I'm going to grab the message that I'm going to send Google support. So I'm gonna take this message, copy and paste it, boom, take it here, fix it. All right, now photo, URL, photo, URL. All right, cool. Now, if you have photos already, great. But if you don't, go to your Pinterest, upload some photos, and essentially open image in new tab, right? Open image in new tab, pops up, copy the link, go back to your Google panel submission, paste the link. Then you're going to do the same, open image in new tab, copy the link, go back to your Google panel submission, paste the link, and submit, right? And I would suggest doing this maybe a couple times throughout the week. It can take multiple times. Sometimes it takes one time for Google to get the message, but once you submit it, Google will have that information, and your photos will eventually appear right here, and it'll look like a full Google panel. So that is pretty much it. Super simple, super easy. If you have any questions, shoot me a text.